Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing the concept of Microsoft Teams. In this series we have been trying to figure out most of the components of Microsoft developers account and how we can use them, like a basic intro to them. So now today we'll be discussing on Teams. So you click on your apps, then you select Teams. Once you select Teams, it's going to be loading up. Now it tries to initialize. Now note that Teams can be downloaded into your system or into your PC. So you have the mobile version and you also have computer or personal computer version. That is why you see a notification here. So we just want to dismiss for now. Then in the Microsoft team is where you can chat, you can have meetings, you can schedule tasks, you can make approvals, you can use it for calls, you can bring in files, you can use it as communication tabs and the likes. Now, all these are what you use Microsoft Teams for. Now, at the right hand side here, if you click on it, you'll see it's called activities. There are fields. Maybe you have notifications, you have replies, everything comes to the field part here. Now, just below that, you have that of the chat. Take for instance, you want to chat with some certain people within your team, within your organization. You find it here, and you have teams. Maybe you can create your own team, of which we'll do very shortly. You can have calendar, maybe calendar for the years where you have scheduled tasks for each of them. Now that's used for that. Now you can have a phone call or a contact where you have the list of contacts of all the team members. Now finally you have files. Files is where you could have all documents such as PDF, approved files, document, images, everything will be located in the files. Now we have finally apps. Now for this, it's just it shows the different workflows. You could add some other connectivity. You could bring power. You could bring form. You could bring Power BI. You could bring SharePoint. You could bring channels. You could bring Power Apps into uh, Microsoft Teams. All those are also possible with that. And finally, you could download as it is stated here. So quickly we'll go into Teams, our Teams. Now you can create a team by clicking on create team. Now it says you want to create a team from scratch or you want to create from a group or a team. Now if you are not the first, and if it's not the first, maybe you already have some groups or you already have some teams before within your Microsoft team. Now you can just create from there or you can create from scratch. Now you also have some templates built here for you. You can create a management team, an event team, an onboarding team, adoption team, organization help team. Now, all these are templates for you to use as you try to do collaborate and have existing workflow. Now, I might say I want to create organization help team. Now I can just select this. Once I select this, these are the app. That's why I said we have apps just now. We have something like the apps that will be here. We'll have something like issue reporter, a list that will store in OneDrive to take notes. Then possibly Power Automate for automating some activities within the team. Then we have a SharePoint page where we can communicate. We have tags and do, and all these are possible. Those are the apps that are associated with it. Now we have three major channels, which are the general channel, the announcement channel, and the FAQ channel. Take note, this is particular for organization help desk. Now, if you select other things, you will see other list of apps and other list of channels. So we can just say next. Now, do you want this as a private channel or as uh, organization? Anyone in the organization. Let's just say you want it as private. That means you would have to put members of the team name. But since we are just the one, we can just say we want to create a public channel. It says you should give a team name. Give your team a name. I can say help. Okay, or help us. Let's just put it that way. Then I can now say click. Is creating an item. Okay, after a while it has successfully created my team and it's currently asking for a member. So for now I just want to skip, and voila, you are here. You have your helpers, you have the hidden channels, which is the announcements and the FAQ, and now you have the general. And this is the basic intro to how you can create your own team within Microsoft Team. Thank you very much. Kindly share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you, and see you in